Hello my dear students, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to cover most important aspect of stop loss course, okay? And here we will see what is Hindsight by us. Okay, so let's start. My dear students, I want to start with a simple example and with a simple idea which we are going to applicable in our real life as well, okay? Whenever we are going to start any business in our real life, we are going to make some investment, we are going to make some expenses, okay? That might be in physical appearance, in the form of furniture, in the form of production, advertisement, etc, etc, okay? So whenever we are going to start our new traditional business, offline business, then we will have some marketing expenses, office maintenance, any kind of expenses, and that we will notice it down, okay? But unfortunately, what is going to happen in forex trading or in any kind of trading, there are no expenses, okay, which we will see in trading, okay? There are losses, okay? And the difference between a successful trader and a loser trader is knowledge. I always believe that knowledge is powerful, okay? We always think that we could have turned this loss into a gain when the loss has happened, okay? But we do not take this loss as for the expense, okay? I am trying to give this simple example so that we can understand this concept. Now what normally happens, the difference between successful trader and loser trader is of knowledge, okay? Professional traders know that they are going to win in a series of trades. As in the first lesson we have seen that retail trader's signature and characteristics is that he will make 100 profitable trades, but then there will be 5 to 10 trades which will wash his account, okay? So characteristics of professional traders, they are going to make series of trades and they are not going to take care of only a single trade, okay? They are careless for a single trade result, okay? So no one really knows what is going to happen in the future. No one really knows that what will be that outcome, okay? We always think that we could have converted this loss into a profit, but no one really knows what is going to happen in the market, okay? If we would have know the market conditions, of course we could have been millionaire. The process in which we tend to think about that we could have avoided losses if we only know how market works, that is known as hindsight bias, okay? The process where we think that we could have avoided losses if we could have know about the future, if we could have know that how market is going to work, okay? Now no one is really never going to know about the market future. That is a difference between a loser trader and a successful trader, and that is a knowledge. There is saying that two types of people come in forex market. One people with money in the morning and other one with experience. At the end of day, people with the money goes with experience and people with experience they go with money, okay? So the problem in forex trading is that whenever we are going to have any kind of loss, we are going to convert it into feelings. Why we face such type of loss? What I would highly recommend you to treat your losses as its expenses, okay? You are going to face that time periods as well, that would be an inevitable, okay? Series of loss could occur for few weeks, few months and also, but we know that we are going to cover in our next upcoming days. And that's the beauty of stop loss, that it is going to keep you alive. It will never eradicate you, it will never finish you from this competition, okay? So in any kind of business we are going to make expenses, but in trading we convert our loss into a feeling. Okay, here is the example. Any kind of mishap which we know already, okay, but we ignore it, that is included in this idea. So hindsight bias is a term used in the psychology to explain the tendency of people to overestimate their ability to have predicted an outcome that could not possibly have been predicted. Okay, it means I know it already. Okay, I know it already with the belief that I know it already, this will happen. But after the mishap, this kind of scenario we will get. Okay, so this is the difference between a successful trader. He will close his trade when he thinks that it should be closed here. But when the damage has been done, when your account has been washed out, then your situation is going to become like this. Okay, you are going to overestimate your ability that this will not happen, but that will happen. Okay, and this is known as hindsight bias. Okay, so I would highly recommend to treat your losses as expenses. And in normal business we are going to have normal expenses, but in trading we convert our loss into a feelings. Why this loss has happened? Okay, we don't think for the future that we will recover it back in a series of trades. Okay, now this process is related to human mind. Now this process is a human psychology, and I'm sure that after understanding this process you are never going to make any kind of mistake again, and you will treat your losses in your expensive for the business for the long term. Okay, and now you will take your stop loss as a very cool, as a very normal thing, like an expenses in your business. Okay, so this is a normal process. So this was the explanation that what is hindsight bias in forex trading, what is the concept of this, what is the meaning of this concept related to our forex trading, and how it could help us. Okay, thank you so much.